Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can give double color effect in any image, which we call duotone effect. Let's start our today's video. First we will take the image on which we want the effect. Now I want this image and just select it and go to the gradient option. I change some property of gradient fill. First of all, I will change the angle 90 to 180. Now change the gradient color. You can choose the color what you want in your image, and I want this one. Just copy the color and paste. Press OK. Now copy the layer and just double click and reverse the color. Change the color. It's my second color and I choose this one. And just copy it and paste it. Then press OK. Now I choose the mode, and the color mode is, and choose the second color mode. Now go to again this option and go to the curve. Now change the curve property in your recording. And just set it. Now it's completed. So you can see that our duotone is ready. If you want, you can also change the color according to your own. So if you like this video of mine, then don't forget to like and subscribe and stay connected with me so that I can give you more good tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.